Alrighty, today we're going to go over how to draw another dinosaur. This is Tupandactylus. This is a pterosaur, and let's get started, okay? It's going to be very easy and for beginners, so if you're a beginner, stick around, you're going to be able to do this, alright? Alright, let's jump into it. First thing we do the head, which is the most significant, thing about him. So right now we're going to draw a crest at the top. Right now we're going to start with the beak. So right here we're going to draw a downward right here, curve for the beak. Back over here for the underside of the beak. A slight bend as it pulls up toward the face. It's gonna get kind of open about there. Alright. Let's draw the lower mouth. Line it here. Maybe curve it down because it has a similar shape to the upper part of the mouth. Don't forget, by the way, if you like dinosaurs and dinosaur lessons, hit the like, because that's going to let me know what to do. And also, right now, let me know what other dinosaur you want to see a lesson of. I draw cartoonish versions of these dinosaurs and realistic, just to kind of give you variety. So you can always check that out on the playlist. Gonna pull this exact same shape upward, and that's for the kind of lower mouth, but in the back there. Fill it in. Gonna go right here. Pull down underneath, pull up, kind of a scoop. Pull back over here for kind of the lower jaw and curve up a bit. Cool. Cool. Good stuff. Gonna go over here to the eye, and I'm gonna start right here by drawing the eye right there. And you can draw maybe like a skin layer around it right there, right? Kind of like a parrot in a way. If you really want, you can fill this in, except for a highlight. Nose right there, like that nasal cavity, as they all need to breathe. And now I'm going to draw in a very light line, a curve right here, not connected to anything. Pulling back over here, down. Thin line, don't connect it, okay? Thin line. Over here as well. Kind of like a C curve right there for kind of a difference of a shape. To kind of, we're indicating difference of shape in there. And now we're going to do something big. Pull line back. Okay, we got this going on. And now we're going to have the gigantic crest on his head, which is what he's known for. So right here, it's going to be bigger than you think. So right here, we're going to pull line. We can pull a pretty dark line if you want. Curve up. Curve down. That's kind of what very, very, very telling is that kind of crest on his head. Pull back over here for a thin neck. Back over here for a thin neck. We'll get back to the crest, don't worry about it. Don't forget, if you want to learn how to draw in general, go check out the Skillshare lessons that I have in the description. Skillshare is a great site. It's basically like the Netflix of drawing lessons. There's hour-long drawing lessons I have on there, and right now when you click that link, you get a free year. Well, not free, you get a free month, I'm sorry, of any lessons you want. You can just go through the whole website. It's amazing. I have anatomy on there, all kinds of stuff, and I'm adding to it every month. Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna start with a shoulder first, then go into the skin. So right here, curve right here for the shoulder. Up over here, just a bit. Upward over here. And one more right there, because you can see like the hand right here. And we're going to draw 3 fingers sticking out there. Go over here to this area, and now we're going to start with the skin that I use to kind of gain flight. So it's going to go through that, pull up. We're going to put it right to the edge. I'm not going to go off the edge, though, because that's why I had a receipt there. I'm not going to go off the edge because I think that's a bad idea. Curve down. Before I go all the way to down, though, I'm going to find its body. Curve right here for the torso. Line right here for the underarm. Line right there for kind of the underarm, right? You got the meat, and then you have like the skin on the outside. Curve over here, the layer of skin that he used to fly, to glide. Leg out here, down. line out here, down. He's got a little bit of a tail over here, pull back. Make sure those lines kind of merge. It looks like a light bulb, his torso. That's kind of the way I think about it. Over here now, out, in, out, in. And then right here at the feet, they're a little bit more complicated. We're going to have a little bit of a kind of dew claw back there, out. Give me like 3 little toes here, and I'm going to pull down. Same thing on this side, the dew claw, out, out. Kind of like little forks on his feet. And then I'm going to connect this line into the foot. Cool, cool. Now let's go over here to the wing on the other side. So I'm going to pull a line over here because it's coming off his back. And I'm going to imagine in my mind's eye, right, where this is going to come out on the other side. So maybe over here, kind of mark it. Outward, pull in. Right? And then I'm going to draw another thin line right here to show that kind of, what it's grasping onto, the muscle itself. So let's go back to that crest. I had talked about this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw stuff. If my stuff here is worth your time, please consider subscribing. You'll learn a little bit about drawing every single day because I post every single day. You just learn like a little new thing to kind of improve yourself. So the fan, this crest is interesting. You can draw whatever you want with it. Many artists will do cool little designs on it. So for example, like stripes, maybe I'm going to do that with thinner line. You can do whatever you like, by the way. Right now I'm just doing these little wave designs. Literally that's the part you can play with. If you want to put spots, like I put I guess it kind of reminds me of like a tiger stripes on here. Maybe little extra bits come out. Whatever you want. That's the cool part about this dinosaur. And then you can maybe connect the crest in the back there, real thin. But that is Tupandactylus. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Very, very cool pterodactyl. And technically, I know what you're going to say in the comments section, so don't say it. Technically, he was not a dinosaur. He was a flying reptile, a prehistoric reptile. You know, technically, he wasn't a dinosaur. There's no pterodactyls were dinosaurs. Fun fact. If you want, you can draw maybe the differences in color here for the feet. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Don't forget, we have coloring books on Amazon. That is the very first link. If you like learning how to color, go take a look at those. That is really, really fun to do. Like this is basically making your own coloring book, right? So go take a look at that. I appreciate every single one of you. Remember, the more you draw, the more time you put in, that's going to kind of build up over time. And every stroke you do is going to, eventually bring you to the goal that you want, to being like a, full-fledged artist. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you next time, all right? See you later. See you tomorrow.